Halloween is coming, you guys. Halloween is coming. Are you ready with all the candy to hand out for the kids? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I plan on doing this year for my Halloween treats. So basically, we're going to take these candies, and I got a whole bunch of, these are just faces, and I got double because that way I can put two and two together and it makes a full head. Look, and look, it's got a body. Are you seeing what I'm doing here? Okay, we're just going to take, pretty super simple, we're just going to take, this is that foam, it's almost like a foam padding, but it's double-sided. I believe it's called mounting tape. And we basically just cut a little bit of it. And I already did some of them because I was going to pre-do a whole bunch before Halloween, just so I'm ready. So basically, I just put a little patch. And these are basically like peanut butter cups. I got these in the bulk section of it's called a Winco. I know not everybody has Winco foods, but they're a bulk section. So that way I could count out how many I needed, which is kind of, I know it's random. But you can find any kind of candy and do this with whatever kind of candy you can find. Just take the idea and kind of run with it. But basically, we're going to take two pieces, and these are basically just half rounds. And we're going to take the tape here. Like I said, this is double-sided. I didn't want to use glue because this is a food item, and I wanted to make this a little bit easier for the kids to kind of get into. I don't want to make it too hard. And basically, we're just going to pop it right there. This is awesome tape. Like I said, it is the mounting tape. I just happen to have a whole bunch of extra from, I don't know what. But it's double-sided, so it sticks together. But yet, it can still be pulled apart really easily. So no problem. And then I put a little piece on the bottom of my body part here. Super easy. Just pop that off. We put our little headpiece on like so. Super cute. And then just kind of hide the neck part. I've got some curling ribbon, and you can get this ribbon. It comes in all sorts of colors. It's just your average, curling ribbon. So it's not anything fancy, but you can get it like at the Dollar Tree, the dollar store, or any kind of party store. Even Walmart has some. I just happen to have a big spool of it because it's purple, and I'm sure I used it for a party of some sort. That's why I have a spool of it, but that's okay. It works. I'm just gonna tie a knot, and with a whole bunch of extra, because this is curling ribbon and it's lots of fun, all you have to do is take the end of your scissors. Super simple. Grab it and pull, and you get little curls. The closer you can get to it, the better off it's going to be. That one. Sometimes if you do it backwards, you don't get the curls on it. Of course, it's gonna be terrible for me. Sorry about that, you guys. All right, but you get the idea. That's lots of fun. Or you don't even have to do the curling ribbon like that. I've got some other ones that I've done where I just did a little bit. So this one is a little goat, or the same kind of guy. This guy's a little like goblin looking thing. These are kind of fun. This one is a pirate skeleton. That's fun. I've got like a monster guy, and then I'm going to do a bunch of little I've got the eyeballs as well. So these are kind of fun. But I'm just going to do I've got a whole bunch of these little fun guys to do. And just plop them in the kids' candy bags. So that's my idea. That's what I'm going to plan on doing here at the Purple Penguin Craft Room. So all those little kids that come to my house, I don't get a whole lot, so I didn't get a whole lot of candy to be able to do this. But this is what I'm going to do. Super duper easy and fun and pretty quick for the most part. And I just kind of like to dress it up just a little bit of fun. All right, keep on coming back for more. The Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.